Glass jelly drinks or Qingqiao drinks with fragrant pandan aroma is best served chilled on the hot day. These simple and refreshing drinks need just 4 ingredients. The ingredients that we need are 265 grams of glass jelly or Qingqiao, 20 pieces of pandan leaves, 1.2 liters of water, and 120 grams of brown sugar. This drink's recipe is on the sweet side. Adjust the sugar and the water as desired. First, we start with folding the pandan leaves. Fold it into a bow-tie shape like this. This makes it easy to put them into the pot, as the pandan leaves are elongated and may not fit to the pot. Alright, pandan leaves are ready. Let's cook. Heat the pot to medium heat. Add in all the water. We are going to cook the brown sugar syrup, infused with natural pandan essence. Add in the brown sugar. No need to stir. Now, add in the pandan leaves. Use a spatula to push the pandan leaf down and bring it to boil. Do not cover the lid as the brown sugar syrup tends to overflow. Leave it to cook for 15 minutes. While waiting for the brown sugar syrup to boil, prepare the glass jelly. Use a small knife to cut it into half. Slice a small hole at the bottom of the packet. This will allow the air to easily push out the glass jelly from the packet. Repeat the same with the other half. Now I am cutting it into thin slices. I'm using the crinkle knife to cut the glass jelly to make a pattern on the pieces. Using a normal knife is fine too. Place it on another bowl. I'm going to continue with the rest of the glass jelly. Okay, the glass jelly is done. Let's check on the brown sugar syrup. 1 more minute to go. There is a very aromatic fragrance from the pandan. Okay, time is up. The brown sugar syrup is ready. In a heat-resistant mixing bowl, put in all the glass jelly that we have cut earlier. Next, strain the brown sugar syrup over the glass jelly. We want to remove sediment from the syrup present during the cooking process. Alright, the glass jelly drinks is ready. This pandan leaf and the brown sugars are very fragrant. See, the drink is slightly darker brown. Once it cools down, its color will be changed to black. This is best served cold. I'm going to leave it here until completely cooled down. Right, after a couple of hours, the glass jelly drink has cooled down to the room temperature. Look at the color. Super dark and very beautiful. The glass jelly strands are also clear and beautiful. Serve it with ice, or you can leave it in the fridge to chill. To serve, add some ice cube in the glass. Pour in glass jelly drinks. Use a tongue to pick up some glass jelly strands to serve together. And we are done. Here is a lovely glass jelly drinks infused with the fragrance of pandan leaf. This is a great drink for party and can be prepared a day in advance. Cheers! Wow, the drink is very fragrant and sweet. The glass jelly is very smooth and chewy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get a notification from my upcoming video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.